Good morning, children. Now I'm going to start the new chapter, nervous system. In this chapter, we have discuss about the reflex action, sense organ, their function, and how should we care of our sense organ. Now, nervous system. When we run, breathe rapidly, our heart beat faster. We also start to sweat. It is our nervous system who decide to send more blood to muscles and more oxygen to our body. All the organ system in our body is controlled by our nervous system. So nervous system very important system of our body because it is the control system of all other organ system. It also control our sense organ. Children, how many sense organ you have? Can you name it? Eye, ear, nose, skin and tongue. These are our sense organ. Nervous system has three main parts: brain, spinal cord and nerves. First we study about the brain. Brain is the main organ of our nervous system. It is the control center of our body. Everything is controlled by the nervous system, by the brain. Brain receives the message from the different part of our body and processes these messages and send instruction based on this message. Children, you know our brain is 2% of our body weight, but it uses 20% of our food consumed by our body. The brain is protected in the skull, a special fluid between the skull and brain. The fluid protects the brain from shock and injury. Brain is look like a walnut. An adult brain weighs 1.4 kg. It is the size of our two fists. It is made up of a million of tiny cells that is called neurons. Brain is made up of three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla or the brainstem. Children, cerebrum is the largest part of brain. It is the surface all covered with the grooves and rises that given in the page number 53. Cerebrum is divided into two halves, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. Cerebellum is a very important part because it helps us to think, store information and remember. It is controlled by the cerebrum part of our brain. It also controls the movement. It controls the working of our sense organ, that is eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. It controls our voice and understanding of different languages. And our intelligence is also controlled by cerebrum. Cerebrum is further divided into four groups: lobe, frontal, temporal, partial and occipital. Now, second part just below the cerebrum is cerebellum. It is just below the cerebrum. It is much smaller inside as compared to cerebrum. It is also called the small brain. It coordinates the movement of various muscles and help our body balance. If it does not function properly, we face many problems in maintaining the balance while walking, running and cycling. Now in next class I explain you the medulla. You go through the chapter and read it nicely. If you have any problem, ask. Thank you and have a nice day.